AIST is one of the premier agencies of its type in the trade show arena that helps to promote and transfer technology amongst the metals industry, particularly. And the AIS Tech trade show, which we're attending today, offers tremendous opportunity for suppliers to gain interface with their potential customers, and also to participate in displaying their technologies and advancements available to their customers, the producers. AIS Tech has a tremendous library of information and technology presentations that remain online for anyone involved with anything, including the galvanized, cold rolling, hot rolling, melting of steel. Tremendous opportunity for students wanting to learn about the technologies available for selection of career paths. AIS Tech has been one of the premier arenas that we've used for many years now to promote our company and to recruit people to work within our company to transfer technologies as well.